I'm going to do a quick unboxing of this Fox Knives folding Karambit. This is the part number 599. It is made for small to medium hands. The 479 is for large to extra large. Regarding carrying, no concealed or open, you need to find out about your local laws. So this one here is the 599 small to medium. The blade is 2.5 inches. I know some cities, states, and countries have different laws regarding that. Folded as you sit here, it is 4 3/4 inches, and extended it is 7 inches. The thing is, I like about this one versus the other ones is the little catch here. I forgot what they call it, but when you have it in your pocket, you go to pull it out like this. The edge of this here catches your pocket and unfolds it. So just imagine you pull it out with your hand like this, that catches the edge of your pocket and it unfolds. What comes in the box is you have your manual warranty information here, and you have your keys and your screws and the other pocket clip or whatever, where you want to put it, and then the little tool for changing them, which is pretty nice. It adds in. I'm actually probably going to send this one back to Amazon and order the larger one, because I actually do have large hands, as you can see. Know how that fits in my hand. It's still this way, which is what I like it for. I might actually keep it because it actually does fit pretty good. And they always say, Doug Markita, he always says that you don't want to put your knuckle all the way in there in case you have to move it. You should just be able to move like that easily, or even come down here like this with it. So just to get your finger out of there. The biggest safety thing is to make sure if you are training with one of these, you can buy the fake ones, which it has like a blunt, dull blade that comes out. So that way you don't accidentally cut yourself. And the biggest thing is to make sure you don't have it turn around your hand like this, because if you flex your wrist backwards, you can easily poke yourself in the wrist and cut yourself wide open pretty quick. It is pretty sharp, you know. To my belief, I take that to be a pretty sharp knife, you know. So other than that, I like it so far. Like I said, I'm going to mess around with it for another week, but I think it's actually a good fit for my hand, my size hands. So, and you can see the markings on there. Let's see if you can get it to focus. The patent information, and then those stainless steel part number, and then there's another part number, and then the Fox Knives logo there you got right there. So other than that, I like it. It's got the G10 handle on there. I kind of like that. I like the G10 stuff. I got a couple of revolvers with G10 grips on them. But other than that, I like it, you know. So if you like my little videos and stuff like this, you know, make sure you like, subscribe, hit the notification button.